Right, for section 5.6, the main focus of this section is adding functions, which looks like f plus g of x, subtracting functions, multiplying functions, and dividing functions. Remember, a fraction is the same as division. Okay, so adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. So in this section, you had to find a function based on that operation, and you had to state domains, and you had to evaluate. So if I had functions that were all polynomial functions. So for example, if I had the function f was 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 7x minus 6, and g was 7x squared minus 6x plus 10. And I had to do f plus g of x. That's super easy. All I do is I add this function to this function, right? 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 7x minus 6. And I'm adding all of these. So plus 7x squared minus 6x plus 10. When I'm adding, I don't have to worry about changing any signs. I just combine my like terms. So I always start with the highest exponent first, that's 2x cubed. I look for my like terms, negative 4x squared, positive 7x is 3x squared. Positive 7x, negative 6x is just 1x, and negative 6 and 10 is just 4. So that's it. That's adding. My domain for this is just a polynomial. When it's just a polynomial, there's no x's in the denominator, there's no x's inside a radical, it's just all real numbers. I don't have to do any restrictions for my domain. When I subtract, so if I did f minus g of x, I'm taking the whole f function and I'm subtracting the entire g function. That means minus 7x squared minus a negative 6x becomes a plus 6x and minus 10. Then I combine my like terms. Highest exponent goes first. Like terms make negative 11x squared. Like terms makes plus 13x. And like term makes minus 16. Again, it's just a polynomial, so my domain is all real numbers. If I had to evaluate these, so if it said, what is f minus g of negative 2? Then I plug this number in for the x in every single spot. So 2 times 2 to the negative 3, 11 times negative 2 squared, 13 times negative 2, and minus 16. And then I just follow order of operations. Take care of all my exponents first. And then I would go through and take care of all my multiplication. So negative 16, negative 44, negative 26, and negative 16. And then I would just put them all together. Negative 16 and negative 44, that makes negative 60, makes negative 86, makes negative 96, negative 102 for my final solution. Okay.